Title: Vale House, a modern oasis of privacy and nature. Description: designed by Ming Architects, Vale House is a contemporary family residence in Singapore. Completed in recent years, the home features a design focused on privacy and a strong connection to nature. To shield the first-story living spaces from the busy front-facing street, the architects incorporated a solid-clad wall, creating an internal courtyard that forms the heart of the home. This vertical courtyard, spanning multiple floors, is adorned with cascading greenery, providing natural light, ventilation, and a serene ambiance throughout. The open-plan living, dining, and kitchen areas maximize spaciousness, while teak wood pivot screens on the facade ensure privacy and heat deflection. The landscape design, highlighted by a tall Draco tree, blends seamlessly with the home's modern architecture, creating a lush, tropical retreat.